Nolo Online Legal Education Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think legal education online is expensive or overwhelming, but the surprising truth is that Nolo offers practical, affordable resources to learn at your own pace. Nolo provides online courses, e-books, and webinars covering topics like business law, estate planning, and real estate law. Pricing ranges from free articles to paid courses between and, depending on depth and complexity. Subscription packages for ongoing access to multiple courses start around per year, giving users unlimited access to a wide library of legal guides and tutorials. For example, a small business owner can take a Nolo course on LC formation, learning step by step how to set up a company, manage compliance, and understand tax obligations, all without hiring a lawyer initially. The materials are designed for clarity, with plain language explanations, examples, and actionable checklists. Most users report that Nolo saves time and reduces confusion by breaking down complex legal concepts into manageable lessons. A subscription model is particularly helpful for professionals who want continuous access to updated legal resources. In conclusion, Nolo Online Legal Education offers excellent value. Affordable pricing, flexible access, and practical guidance make it an ideal solution for anyone seeking to learn essential legal skills without the cost and commitment of traditional courses.